In this video, I'm going to show you how to add doors to your cube storage using cheaper alternatives. Now, I bought my Kallax cube storage from Ikea a while ago, and it's been good, helping me organize and store my things. But I have always wanted some doors, especially this section and this section. So first, get yourself some cheap MDF or plywood sheets, or if you have any boards or scraps left over from other projects at home, use them. Then measure your particular cube storage, and once you have done that, make them slightly smaller so it can have enough space. I say roughly 5 mil or less. Then cut them with anything you have available to you. Does not matter really. Once it gets the job done, who cares? Cut and shaped, ready for the next step. Now, to get the doors to turn, you can buy most metal hinges for cheap. But since I already have a 3D printer, I am copying the method I used for my enclosure project, including the magnet holders I designed, which will be free and available to download. Once I had my hinges ready, I'm using them as a template to make the holes, along with a ruler. Now before you drill through the MDF, I find it beneficial to add some tape to stop extra material from breaking off or chipping off. I'm slowly going up in drill bit sizes for safer control over the MDF and prevent any splintering or chipping. That's all of them, you done know already. Next, you're going to want to sand the sheet lightly, getting it ready for this sealer primer since I'm using MDF. I chose to use some white paint to match the colour of the original cube storage. Alright, all nicely painted. Time to attach the hinges. I'm going to be using some M3 bolts and nuts to assemble them together. I chose this classy brass looking handles from Amazon, but one problem, it's too long. But this should not be an issue. Get yourself some wire bolt cutters and push it through the right size hole. And now for the fun part. Snap them to size. Also, you might want to grind off some of the roughness. There we go, much better. Measure and mark the halfway line with a pencil. Now drill in the screws. That should do it. Wondering what these will be used for? Well, this part I'm printing are the holders for the magnets so the doors stay shut when closed, and I will leave the link for the files in the description below. Also, let me not forget the caps to hide the magnets. And there you have it. Good looking cheap doors for your cube storage. Hi fans and fellow designers, don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting content. And if you want to support me, donate by clicking on the links to help me make new entertaining projects for you.